How do I connect my Bluetooth speaker to my device for FaceTime?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to walk through the simple steps to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your device for a FaceTime call. Whether you're on an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac, we've got you covered.
What do you need?
To start with, you'll need 1. Your Bluetooth speaker. 2. Your Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac. 3. Make sure both devices have enough battery power. 4. Ensure your Apple device has Bluetooth turned on.
How to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Apple device.
Step 1. Turn on your Bluetooth speaker. The process to turn it on varies by brand and model. Usually, there's a button that you need to press and hold. Step 2. Go to your Apple device's settings. For iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. For Mac, click on the Apple menu in the upper left corner of the screen and choose System Preferences. Step 3. Select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it's not, tap or click on the switch to turn it on. Step 4. Wait for your Bluetooth speaker to appear in the list of available devices. Once it appears, tap or click on the name of your speaker. If it asks for a password, enter the password. You can usually find this in the speaker's manual. Step 5. If your device and the speaker are successfully connected, you'll see the word "Connected" next to your speaker's name.
How to use your Bluetooth speaker for a FaceTime call.
Now that your Bluetooth speaker is connected, you can use it for FaceTime calls. Simply start a FaceTime call as you normally would. The audio should come out of the Bluetooth speaker. If it doesn't, make sure that the speaker is selected as your output device. On iPhone or iPad, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center, press and hold the audio card in the top right corner, and then select your Bluetooth speaker. On a Mac, click on the Apple menu, System Preferences, Sound Output, and then select your Bluetooth speaker. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth speaker to your device for FaceTime. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your enhanced audio experience for your FaceTime calls.